Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make all columns the same size in Google Sheets. Now I have this random data right here that we're going to be using for today, and yeah, what you're going to do is actually pretty simple. You're going to go ahead and highlight all of the columns that is involved here, and if you want to highlight more you can definitely do that one in order for you to make changes to those highlighted. But yeah, in my case I'm just going to use the table that I have here. Right click this one and you have the resize button right here. You can see resize columns C to I. That is what we have highlighted. I'm going to click that over there and you can go ahead and enter a number here. Now, say for example, we want to make this really small. I'm just going to demonstrate it to you that it's possible. Hit 90. Hit OK, and you can see that everything now is at the same size. Now, it would be great though if you'd be able to resize this one, say for example, to 110 to 120 in order to fit most of the data. Hit OK, and you can see that now that is done. So, yep, that's the easiest way to make all columns the same size in Google Sheets.